Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over LifterLMS private areas and what you can do with it and give you a general walkthrough. So to start out, I'll install private areas by heading to LifterLMS, add-ons, and more. I have my license key in here already, so we can see private areas here. I'll click Install, Apply. Then from here, I can click Activate, Apply. And now private areas is activated on the site. It should pop up around here. So what I'll do is, I have to head to settings first. We have to enable the integration. So private areas is now installed and activated, but I'm going to want to head to LifterLMS settings and integrations to make sure it is enabled. Head to private areas, enable this integration, save changes, and there we go. So it's down here. I guess I already had it enabled. I had previously installed this, but you'll want to make sure this is checked here, and you'll see on the side private posts. Now I'll click on private posts here, and you can see I don't have any created yet. So what I'll do is add a private post. And so we'll just call this one welcome. And let's see, so I will just say welcome to the course. And so this is a private post that'll be sent out to a specific student or students in a specific course and membership. So you can see here we have the general options for the excerpt, custom fields, and author. And I also have this option for discussion. Now, to enable discussion, this allows students to comment back and forth with the instructor on a private post. So I'll make sure that's enabled, and then I'll display for a course or membership. We'll do this course, and then choose this student. So now I'll publish this post, and that student will be sent this private post that says, welcome to the course. Now let's head to the student's end and see if we got that. So I'm logged in as a student here, and I'll reload the page. And there you go. We can see a new private post is ready for me. So I see this here, and as you can see, this is a LifterLMS notification. So I can also see it here in notifications. So I'll view private post. And one thing you want to make sure to do is, when I did this initially, I was getting a 404 error. And if you do end up getting a 404 error when using private areas, you'll just want to flush your permalinks and everything should be good to go. You can flush the permalinks by going to Settings, Permalinks, and then just clicking Save Changes. And then it helps your site flush the permalinks and understand that private area is a link on your site there. But so we can see as a student here, the private area. And as the student, I can see what the instructor said, and I can also comment back. So I'll comment back, submit comment. And currently there's no way to upload images in this private area here, but I can always link to something like a screenshot or link to a YouTube video or something. And now let's check out what that looks like for the instructor. So I'll go to private posts. We can check out the one I just created here, edit. And you can see here, the student commented, and I can also comment back. So that's the private areas sort of discussion area. And now I'll show you the automations. And so we can set up an automation. So if a student enrolls in a course or membership, we can automatically send them a private post. For example, the welcome to the course would be a good example if you wanted to open up that conversation. So we'll just say, welcome automation. We can add a private post, and then we can set up a private post here that will be sent to a course or membership when when a user enrolls in that. So we can set an instant, so it comes out instantly, a number of days, or on a specific date that this automation is published to the student there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the LifterLMS private areas. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see me do in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.